Today we're gonna go walk along the river, but we're afraid it's a little bit too far to go with our aging Daisy. And also, if it starts to rain on us and we have to cab back, a lot of the cab drivers don't really like wet dogs in their cab. So we're gonna take her for a walk first and then go walk along the river today. Let me show you the route we're going to take today, walking along the 5 rivers in Cuenca, Ecuador. This is where we're going today. We're going to show you where the Tarqui meets the Yanuncay River, and we're going to follow it all the way down here. That's Parque Paraíso, and that's where the Yanuncay meets the Tomebamba River. And then we're going to keep going down here till it meets the Milchichig River, and then on to where the Machángara River meets up with the Tomebamba. And there you have it. That's the route we're going to take. It's probably about three or 4 miles each direction, I'm guessing. So probably be about a 6 or 7 mile walk down to the Machángara, and if we decide to go further, it'll be longer. So let's get going. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
Let's get it going then.
All right.
Vámonos! Jinx, you owe me a beer. Is this the new hipster superwoman, supergirl?
Oh, very funny. I didn't feel like taking my backpack off because I don't want the whole shirt on.
This is a trail that runs next to the river, which is right over there, and it's really dirty today because of all the rain that we've been getting recently.
Okay, veggie lovers, we are in front of the intersection where the Tarqui meets the Yanuncay River. We are going to walk along the trail to Parque Paraíso, where the Yanuncay meets the Tomebamba River. So let's go.
Those tall trees over there, those are eucalyptus trees. They're not native to Ecuador. They were brought here about 165 years ago by the president to solve their wood crisis. So now they're a non-indigenous tree. They've pretty much taken over. So it was a permanent solution to a temporary problem.
And we made it. We are standing in front of the section where the Yanuncay joins with the Tomebamba.
That big tree down there, Amelia's peeing. She couldn't wait till we get to the park. Of course, she wouldn't use an outdoor outhouse anyway. She has an aversion to those. There she comes, tucking her shirt in. You feel better?
Yes. almost stuck my nose right in to smell where that spider is living.
There's the spider. Araña.
Veggie lovers, we have made our next junction. We are standing in front of the area where the Tomebamba joins with the Milchichig River.
Only in Ecuador do you see a woman doing yoga while she tends her flock of sheep.
This is the Machángara, and it meets with the Tomebamba a little further that way.
Watch your step. That first one's a big one.
And we found it. The intersection where the Machángara meets the Tomebamba. Perfect spot for us to eat our lunch, so we are going to take a little break and head back home.
We're going to sit here by the river and eat our sandwiches. I wonder if this is where IKEA got their idea for the fasteners for their furniture. These look just like they should go in IKEA. And that's where those IKEA seeds come from. The eucalyptus trees. That's why they're everywhere around Cuenca. Muchas gracias. Daisy. There's Daisy. We're home. That was a long walk. Let's see how far it was. 12.8 miles. Get a drink before we go. Sounds like the church is having a party. Are you ready, Daisy? Let's go.